Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to report an issue or send feedback on Chrome. Opening your computer and open Chrome browser. Click at the top right, click More sign. Then click Help and then Report and Issues. Add details include step to help us recreate the issue you are experiencing. Choose if you want to include more information in your report, like a web address, your email address, or a screenshot. To submit the report, then click Send. We appreciate your help. We probably would not be able to send you an individual response, but we will investigate your report and see the information you provide to improve Google Chrome. There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments any problem related to social media and internet. Let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.